right, this one is from I think one of the greatest songwriters ever. He's written so many great songs, like songs that you hear multiple artists covering repeatedly. They're all done by him. True story. Maybe not so true, but a lot of them. There are quite a few. So let's just move right on to it. Yusuf Islam. Yeah, let's do him a disservice, shall we? All right. I'm being followed by a moonshadow, 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 leaping and hopping on a moonshadow, moonshadow, moonshadow. If I ever lose my hands, lose my plow, lose my land, 'cause if I ever lose my hands, oh, I won't have to work no more. And if I ever lose my eyes, all my colors all run dry. 'Cause if I ever lose my eyes, oh, I won't have to cry no more. I'm being followed by a moonshadow, 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 leaping and hopping on a moonshadow, moonshadow, moonshadow. If I ever lose my legs, I won't bow and I won't beg. If I ever lose my legs, oh, I won't have to walk no more. And if I ever lose my mouth, all my teeth, north and south, and if I ever lose my mouth, oh, I won't have to talk. Did it take long to find me? I asked for the grateful light. Did it take long to find me? Are you gonna stay the night? Well,